Hi, this is Ketogenic Jim. What we're doing today is some chocolate muffins made ketogenic style. They're really tasty, perfect for after dinner if you want to have a little bit of a sweet tooth. It's fantastic. We're going to be using some special chocolate today also I'm going to be telling you about. It's perfect for it if you don't want to use baker's chocolate. Okay, what we're going to do first is melt about 2 tablespoons of butter and the equivalent of 2 squares of baker's chocolate. And you're going to want to microwave the chocolate and the butter on low for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes depending on your microwave. What we're using today is really nice. It's called Montezuma's Absolute Black. It's 100% cocoa, and this one we're using has orange oil and cocoa nibs, which is going to be like kind of a chocolate chip inside the muffins. Okay, so while the butter and chocolate is melting, we're going to mix up our batter. It's 3 eggs, next we add the equivalent of half a cup of almond butter, which is going to be about 3 big tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sour cream. About 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And this is the sweetener part, about 6 tablespoons of erythritol or sweetener substitute, really of your choice. And now that our butter and chocolate mixture is completely melted, we're going to add that too. And then we're going to incorporate everything together. We're going to mix it all through. Okay, our dry mixture consists of 2 heaping tablespoons of cocoa powder, your choice. And of course, to give the muffins a little bit of a rise, about half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, we're going to put our dry mix into the wet mix in about thirds. So a good sized tablespoon, and then we're going to mix it in. And then we're going to do the same again, and then the same again. Okay, our batter is going to be really thick once it's done, so you're going to want to use 2 spoons to kind of like push them off. But we're going to spread it out into 8 cupcake tins, and then going to bake it. What I'm going to be doing with a couple of these is I'm going to be putting in some blueberries. They're really low carb, and I think they'll be perfect for some blueberry dark chocolate muffins. And just because I have them, I'm going to put in a couple slivered almonds. Okay, our muffins are mixed. They're in our little pan. It equals out to right at 8 muffins is perfect. They don't really rise as much as traditional muffins, obviously. You want to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or around 180 degrees Celsius for right at 12 to 13 minutes. You don't really want to go past 15 because that makes them start to really dry out. Okay, it's been exactly 12 minutes. So we're going to be taking the muffins out, let them cool. And they are done. Like I said, you cook them right at 12 minutes, 13 minutes. They are perfect. You can see that they haven't rose up as much as normal muffins, but they look phenomenal. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like my content, like my recipes, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also if you want to get some coaching, email me directly, ketogenicjim@gmail.com. All of my social media is Ketogenic Jim. I'd love to get in touch and speak with you further about it. Thanks for watching.